Hello everyone, this is Multi Channel and I'm Balaji V. I always love to help people in bringing financial awareness and help people start investing as early as possible, the age of 10 onwards. I started late and I don't want my kids and the younger generation to miss out this opportunity. Before I do any education on mutual funds, stocks, bonds, cryptocurrencies, it is my duty to ensure that we all have a right in health insurance cover. As you may or may not know, India is slowly becoming a medical tourism country due to such quality doctors and high facilities offered at a better price. People are flying here, and this demand is slowly picking up. And the supply for this quality service is less. As a result, we see health insurance inflation rate goes up to 15 percentage higher year over year. So it is a no-brainer to have a right medical insurance at your side. But choosing a medical insurance policy is little bit complex, like doing an investment. Until unless we die or someone at our side die, we never know where is the graveyard. Similarly, until unless someone gets hospitalized at our side, we would not be able to understand and ask right questions before we pick the right medical policy. Let's get the details in this video and do a deep dive. Welcome again. Where do we start? Do I need to start with individual plan or a plan for my family which covers everyone? Assume if you are having a family of 6, your mother, father, spouse and your kids. It is always a good advice to go with 2 family insurance covers, one for your parents and one for your nuclear family. As you may know, the age goes up, the risk goes up, so does the premium goes up. If you carry a pre-ailment, or if you are in a metropolitan city, or if your lifestyle is different, the premium slab varies based on all these combinations. There is always an advantage if you are starting early in any investment platform. Yes, medical cover, it's a big investment. If you are not doing it, please do start doing it. The cover will start as soon as possible within 30 days because you will not carry any kind of a pre-ailment. The age goes up, the premium amount that you have to pay will also goes up. Whether you carry a policy or not, there will be an increase. But if you are having a policy already, the increase will be almost or closely 50 percentage less. Most of the people who are working at the corporate company will get an insurance policy. Once you get out of the company, they will offer you 2 choices. Choice 1, you can pay extra and continue the plan. Choice 2, you may have to find a new plan. If you are going with choice 1, you need to ensure the terms fully. It usually comes with some sort of cap for the common and the high cost ailments. So it might not fit your original purpose. So you end up getting lesser benefits. In case of choice 2, you might be very late to start the insurance cover and you might be paying high premium amount or you may not be eligible to take the policy. Please understand that there are maximum and minimum age limits for getting into an insurance policy. Assume that you have a family and then it is better to go for a family floater plan, say a sum insured of 10 lakhs, which can be used across for the entire family members. Hope you got the introduction on health insurance and why it is a must to have. Let's understand some of the critical terms that we need to understand while choosing the policy. Waiting period, it is a critical term that everyone need to understand. Assume that one of my friend is having BP. If he decides to take a policy today, then he won't be able to get the insurance cover for any disease which are caused or related to BP. You have to serve for a waiting period, say for 3 to 4 years. But there is a provision which you can buy this waiting period by paying extra bit of money. It might cost you 5 to 7k per year. So you would be paying the extra bit of money till you complete your waiting period. Room rent cap and other cap limit for specific diseases. Assume my friend is only eligible for sharing room and if he gets a private room, he would end up paying not only the difference between the room types of the amount, but also need to pay the extra amount which has increased based on the room type that he has picked, like doctor fees, nursing fees, etc. and so on. Slow growth rate disease clause. Assume my friend above has paid extra amount to buy the waiting period. If he gets any kind of disease which is classified and slow growth disease clause, then he won't be able to claim that cost. Illness like kidney stone, hernia, and few more illness won't be covered for a period of 2 years. Then, co-payment option. If you have taken insurance which is less in value, please ensure that whether it is a co-payment type or not. Because here the insurance company will pay 80 to 90 percentage from their side of the total bill amount, and you would be paying the remaining part of it. Then pre and post hospitalization care. Most of the company usually offers 60-day pre and 90 days post. It won't be done through cashless, so you have to pay it first and get it reimbursed. Then home hospitalization cover, meaning treat your patient from the home. These days, most of the private insurance company are allowing this kind of a cover. Some of them are coming up without any cap, but we don't see this usually happens with public insurance companies. Restoration amount. This is something cool which we all need to know. Assume my friend has taken a policy for 20 lakhs which covers his entire family. In a given year, he might have been hospitalized and used 20 lakhs amount for his own disease, say heart attack. So the entire amount or the part of the amount will be restored. So if any of his family member get other disease or the same disease in the given same year, he and his family will be covered fully or partially based on the policy. One catch which we need to understand is it might be coming up with cap for same person, same disease. Hope this video is helpful for you to find the right health insurance policy. Please smash the like button, which will encourage me to create more content like this. Though it is not sponsored, I used Ditto and policybazaar to do a deep dive to get this information. If you are still having any questions or need clarity, please reach out to any of them. Please do support me in reaching my milestone on providing financial literacy to 10,000 people before July 2023.